Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a protein and fiber rich salad recipe ideal to include as a nutrient dense meal for lunch or for dinner in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. Ingredients for the salad are 1 cup cooked or boiled chickpeas, also known as chana. So what I've done is I soaked the chana overnight and then pressure cooked for about 15 to 20 minutes with some salt. A large handful of fresh coriander leaves finely chopped, 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped, half cup cherry tomatoes sliced into half, 3 tablespoons sprouted green moong dal flakes. For those who are new to this is how the green moong dal flakes looks like. It is soaked, sprouted and flattened between iron rollers. It's a good source of protein. It will give an amazing crunch to the salad as well, along with the protein. The next main ingredient is microgreens. Today I'm using mustard microgreens. You can use any microgreens of your choice or even any green leafy vegetable of your choice. I have already shared how to make microgreens at home. Links will be updated below this video. Please do check it out. The microgreens are washed and rinsed thoroughly and I have kept it on a strainer. To make the salad dressing, I'm using a small glass jar or a container. To the glass jar, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon cold pressed olive oil, 2 tablespoons or juice of 1 whole lemon, half teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder. To make the dressing more nutrient dense, I am grating in 1 medium-sized amla, also known as Indian gooseberry. Now, if you don't have fresh amla at hand, you can always use about 1/3 to half a teaspoon of amla powder. I'm also grating in 1 garlic clove. Add the grated garlic and amla into the small glass container. Half teaspoon cumin powder, also known as roasted jeera powder. 1/3 teaspoon sea salt or as needed. 1/4 teaspoon black salt, also known as kala namak. A teaspoon or a splash of water. 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar. Make sure you're using the apple cider vinegar which has the mother. And now cover it tightly with the lid and then shake it really well. And now my super healthy salad dressing is ready. You can always make a double or triple batch of this salad dressing. I'm going to keep this aside. Into a large bowl, I'm adding in the boiled chana, also known as chickpeas, cherry tomatoes which I've sliced into half, onion chopped, coriander leaves, 3 tablespoons moong dal flakes. This is green moong dal flakes. It's a good source of protein as well as it gives an amazing crunch to the salad. These days it's available online. Also, this particular green moong dal flakes are soaked, sprouted and then pressed between iron rollers. Add in the microgreens. Add in all of the salad dressing. Give this all a good mix. Transfer the salad onto a serving bowl. So guys, do try this healthy chana salad and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.